If you are planning to purchase a new air conditioner, then the foremost question strikes your mind is which one is best, split AC or window AC? Which one consumes less electricity? Which one is better from maintenance point of view? And which one gives more cooling effect? There are many types of air conditioners available in the market. When we compare window AC with split AC, the capacities, design, cost, aesthetics, operational feasibility, etc. plays a major role while making the selection. However, both work on the same principle, but due to their different characteristics, they are used at different places. Please note that once we purchase air conditioner, then we expect at least it will go on for next 10 years. So in this video, we are going to discuss about difference between split AC and window AC. So let's begin. Split air conditioner, window air conditioner. Number of units. As the name suggests, split air conditioner has two units, indoor and outdoor. Indoor unit provides cool air and outdoor unit throws out hot air, whereas window air conditioner has a single unit. Design. Outdoor unit consists of compressor, condenser and expansion valve, and it is installed outside the target room, while indoor unit is installed inside the room, and it consists of capillary tube, evaporator and cooling fan, whereas window AC is a combined structure of all its components within one unit. Aesthetics. Split AC has an advantage that they look way better than window AC, but window AC units are not very aesthetically pleasing. Suitability. Split ACs can be used for cooling large rooms, commercial and office spaces, whereas window ACs are used in single rooms in apartments, small offices, etc. Space. If we consider indoor and outdoor units separately, then split AC requires less space as compared to window AC. The indoor unit can be mounted on the wall of a room, while outdoor unit is mounted at a suitable place outside the room or building. But if we sum up the space required for outdoor and indoor unit, then it requires more space as compared to window AC. But in case of window AC, if we talk about inner side of the room, then window AC requires more space as compared to split AC. Daylight. In case of split AC, the indoor unit can be installed anywhere in the room without blocking window or daylight, whereas window AC is installed in window and it blocks daylight. Types. In case of split AC, floor mounted and ceiling mounted options are available. Floor mounted AC is also known as vertical AC or tower AC, and ceiling mounted AC is known as cassette type split AC. Inverter series is also available in split ACs, which is not available in window ACs, whereas in window AC, no any other options are available. Capacity. Generally, split ACs are available in the range of 0.8 to 3 ton in the market. The real work of cooling down air is done in outdoor unit, and it can be of any size as it is installed outside. Hence, there is no any tonnage limit on those, whereas window ACs are available in the range of 0.75 to 3 ton. Since window AC is whole one unit, its size is directly proportional to the tonnage capacity. Higher the capacity, bigger the size. Noise. Split AC is quiet on the inside and noisy on the outside, as the compressor is installed in outdoor unit, whereas window ACs are noisy as compared to split ACs. They do make noise as they have all noisy components fitted into one cuboid. So if you are like a person who needs silence for sleeping, or if you are worried for your baby sleep, prefer to buy a split AC. Security threat. There is no any security threat in case of split ACs. But in case of window AC, the window is open and someone can remove the air conditioner from outside and can enter into the house. Installation. In case of split AC, two different units to be installed along with copper piping, hence it is quite difficult and requires skilled labor. Whereas window AC installation is easy and it doesn't require skilled labor. Opening in wall for installation. Split ACs require 3-inch hole to connect indoor unit to outdoor unit for passing through required piping, and that hole is hidden behind indoor unit. But in case of window AC, it requires a bigger opening than AC itself to fit whole AC into it for supporting purpose. Agencies required for installation. While installing split AC, different agencies are involved. For example, drilling hole in the wall for the condenser shall be done by either AC installer or core cutting agency, and for electrical point and wiring, separate electrician is required. Whereas window AC can be installed by only one agency. Energy consumption. The running cost of window and split AC for same energy rating is similar. The split AC might use a little bit extra electricity, but the difference is not enough to affect buying decision. Servicing and maintenance. Maintenance and servicing of split AC requires a technical person, whereas the servicing and maintenance of window AC is easy as all the components are compactly designed. Cost. Split ACs are marginally expensive than window ACs for same tonnage. Split ACs are 10 to 20% costlier as compared to window ACs depending on brand and capacity. Window ACs are cheaper as compared to split ACs. From the above comparison of window AC and split AC, we can conclude that both ACs are quite similar, but they are different in their aesthetic, design and cost. The choice mainly depends on the size of the room and how and where you want to install an air conditioner. Of course, the budget is also the consideration. However, window air conditioners are becoming little obsolete due to heavy noise, blocking of daylight, aesthetics, non-uniform cooling, etc. Nowadays, people demand more for split ACs rather than window because of all the reasons I have mentioned in this video. Like this video if you learned something, and be sure to share it with someone who might benefit from it. You can mention